Alright, here's where we're standing right now. We got this, so it fits in there like that. But we gotta have the pieces still in here. So this is what I've made.
Getting the brakes safe and getting it running better, and
then let me see.
Right, yeah. So he can sell it. Oh, okay.
This goes in there.
Late 70s or early 80s, and his wife's got medical problems too, so they're just trying to sell this, and they've got another car, an RV.
It'll fit in there like that.
So yeah, this is limited as far as everything we're doing.
This is wider than this, so it'll slant in. So it's kind of an odd looking piece. But it'll work. So we're going to get this laid out on a piece of metal. Then we'll get it cut out. Then we can do a little hammer and dolly work, a little welding. We're going to weld that to the lip. Get it tacked in different spots. And it'll look pretty good. Alright, we got our template, whatever you prefer, and that'll go into here. And I got it marked out on a piece of metal. We're using 20 gauge because it's just a speaker pad. So I'm going to move you over and I'll show you how I cut it out. Let the games begin. Alright, we got to take this and make it fit around this. In order to do that, we do what I like to do. Hit stuff. Get a different hammer.
As you can see, a lot goes into making such a simple little panel. The moral of the story is, don't try to be a hero. Slow and steady is going to win the race here. Bend it little by little, and make sure you test fit often.
So we got this all made. And it's gonna go in there like that. Now we gotta find a way to hook it. We got the studs all in. Bolts are in there. We gotta adjust the bottom bolt nut up to 5/8 of an inch from here. And the speaker will fit right in that. These are the ears. We got the holes all drilled here. This is top. There's the holes. I don't know if you can see that. Now we're going to here get these welded up. We got them where we want them, I hope. Good Lord willing, the creek don't rise. Alright, takes care of that. Let that cool down. And we'll do a trial fit of everything. So I can do the trial fit on this first. Now we got a screen all cut for in here, but I'm not gonna be concerned about that right now. Side, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay, we're good here. Now, these bottom ones here, we're going to adjust them to 5/8 of an inch to the top of them. Now, pretty good right there. Good there. Good there. Now I'll go with this one. That's good. Now we got the speaker. There. Just want to make sure all the welding's done. I got a little bit of body work I want to do on it. But make sure the welding's all done first. Make sure everything fits. Or I have a fit, one or the other. I don't know. Yeah. Tighten a couple of these down here. Good. 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 This here now. Got that welder now. I need to have that running. Getting heavier. there. Oh, come on. And they make them tight. Here, line that hole up. Now to go inside. That's what it'll look like. I don't know if I can slide that in there or not. Yeah. There. Then I'll take it in, let the boss take a look at it, see what he thinks. Alright, the boss liked it. So what we're going to do now is put a little body filler in it, sand it down. Get it cleaned up nicely. Got my hole drilled for the wires. Got to clean this all up. Probably have to take that back out. That's neither here nor there. We're going to put a light coat of filler on this. Kind of get rid of some of this. Kind of round things out a little better. Got a few humps and bumps we're going to take care of. Go up in the paint. So let's see what we got here. Oh, nice stuff. That should do us. I don't think we're going to need a whole lot. We do, I'm worse off than I thought I was, which could very possibly be. See what we got here. Don't want any of that blue streaking through. I want it to be a nice, even color. No streaks. That don't look bad. Get it off my fingers. Yahoo! Figure out a way to hold on to this. Got a nice day for it anyways. Not 110 degrees. Yeah, we'll leave it alone now. That's all there is to it. Now we'll let her harden up and go from there. Try to get the dash and all. That disappears.
Yeah, you're getting pink on it.
Yeah. There's the speaker enclosure, all installed, ready to rock and roll. One job down, several to go.